Hello everyone, myself Professor P.V. Shinde. Today we will discuss mechanism of nutrient transport to plants. Friends, this video is only for education purpose, not for commercial use. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to mechanism of nutrient transport in plants, mass flow, factors affecting mass flow, diffusion, factors affecting diffusion, root interception and factors affecting root interception. Let us see the mechanism of nutrient transport in plants. Nutrient must reach the surface of a root for plant uptake of essential elements to occur. There are three major mechanisms of movement of ions from soil to roots. These are root interception, mass flow and diffusion. This picture shows the different elements which are uptake or absorbed by plant by different mechanism like root interception, mass flow of water, diffusion. By root interception, calcium and zinc are absorbed by plant. Nitrogen, calcium, magnesium, sulfur, boron, potassium, zinc are absorbed by plant by mass flow, and potassium, phosphorus is absorbed by diffusion. Let us see mass flow. Mass flow occurs when nutrients are transported to the surface of roots by movement of water in the soil. For example, percolation, transpiration or evaporation. The rate of water flow governs the amount of nutrients that are transported to the root surface. Therefore, mass flow decreases or soil water decreases. Most of the nitrogen, calcium, magnesium, sulfur, copper, boron, manganese and molybdenum move to the root by mass flow. Quantity of nutrient transported is proportional to like rate of flow, that is volume of water transpired, solution concentration of nutrient. Nutrients supplied primarily by mass flow are considered mobile nutrients like nitrogen, sulfur and boron. This picture shows the water transpiration and mass flow by the plant roots and plant leaves. What factors which affect the mass flow? Soil water content, then temperature, size of root system. In soil water content, dry soil where there is no nutrient movement. Low temperature reduces transpiration and evaporation. Size of root system affect water uptake and therefore movement. Root density much less critical for nutrient supply by mass flow than for root interception and diffusion. What is diffusion? Diffusion is the movement of particular nutrient along a concentration gradient. Diffusion is the movement of a substance from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration. This picture shows the diffusion by high concentration to lower concentration. When there is a difference in concentration of particular nutrient within the soil solution, the nutrient will move from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration. This phenomenon is observed when adding sugar to water. As the sugar dissolved, it moves through parts of the water with lower sugar concentration until it is evenly distributed or uniformly concentrated. Diffusion delivers appreciable amount of phosphorus, potassium, zinc, iron to the root surface. Diffusion is relatively slow process compared to the mass flow of nutrients with water movement towards the root. Nutrients supplied primarily by diffusion are considered immobile nutrients like phosphorus and potassium. Factors affecting diffusion, and diffusion is indicated by Fick's law. Fick's law is dC by dt is equal to dE. Diffusion rate is directly proportional to concentration gradient, diffusion coefficient, and the area available for diffusion to occur. Then effective diffusion coefficient. Then diffusion coefficient in water, water content, tortuosity, buffering capacity. Third, mechanism of nutrient transformation, that is root interception. Root interception occurs when growth of root causes contact with soil colloids which contain nutrients. The root then absorb the nutrients. It is an important mode of transport of calcium and magnesium, but in general is a minor pathway for nutrient transfer. As a general rule, the occurrence of root interception increases as the root surface area and mass increases, thus enabling the plant to explore a greater amount of soil. Root interception may be enhanced by mycorrhizal fungi which colonize roots and increases root exploration into the soil. Root interception is responsible for an appreciable amount of calcium uptake and some amounts of magnesium, zinc and manganese. The CEC of roots for monocots is 10 to 30 milliequivalent per 100 gram and take up monovalent cations more rapidly or readily, and that of dicot is 40 to 100 milliequivalent per gram and takes up divalent cations more readily. The quantity of nutrients intercepted by root depends on soil concentration of nutrients and volume of soil displaced by root system. And factors affecting root interception. There are different factors which affect the mechanism of root interception, like root growth, dry soil compaction, low soil pH, poor aeration, root disease, insect nematodes, high or low soil temperature. And second one is root growth is necessary for all three mechanisms of nutrient supply but absolutely essential for root interception to occur.